Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a classic dish which is Dal Makhani. Okay, so for this Dal Makhani, I'm going to start off. This is my version of Dal Makhani. Now in this version of Dal Makhani, I've used 3 different dals because just the urad dal doesn't work out in this recipe, okay? Now for this, the oil is hot and we're going to add cumin seeds and ajwain. Let it brown a bit. Okay, to this I'm going to add my onion, chopped onion. You got the flavor, the toastiness of that both. That's when you add the onion. And saute the onion a little bit for at least 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to add tomato paste, or you can also add fresh tomatoes. Now the reason I want to do this tomatoes is to get nice flavor of the tomatoes in the onions itself, and we're going to get the sweetness of the tomatoes by sauteing it with my ginger and garlic. Saute it really well. Okay, so now for this, we're going to add Dal Makhani powder. Now I could have gone with a lot of spices and all that stuff. I prefer this mix from the store because it's got all the spices in it. It's got rock salt, it's got cumin, it's got garam masala and everything in that. Okay, so I'm going to add this now and saute it a little bit. Toast it a little bit with that. And you can smell it. After this, I'm going to add a little bit of water so we can cook this well. We're going to add the dals, all the dals. The dal has been washed really well. And we're going to add this with some water and let it cook for 1 hour. And also I'm going to add my chili paste in this, red chili paste, or you can add also chili powder, which is Kashmiri chili powder. You got to add so it gives red color to it. Cook it for about 2-3 minutes. Let this all mix with that, and then we're going to add water and let this cook for an hour on slow heat. Okay, now I'm going to add this water. Okay, you require about 3 cups of water so it can slowly cook. Now put it on low heat and let it cook. Let me add my salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it. Okay, Topper Chef back again here with our Dal Makhani. So this has been slowly cooking for an hour now. And to this I'm going to add some butter. And that's what it is, makhani, right? So add some butter to it, mix it. And then let it melt a little bit. and we tasted it. All the spices, all the tomato, the salt, and everything is good. And it's, I mean, it's really tasty. So into this now I'm gonna add my cream. Here you go. And once you add cream, you're not supposed to cook too much. Just keep it low and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and your dal makhani is ready. It's good to eat with nice bread or chapati or anything. If you like, you can add some, we're gonna add some cilantro to it, but let it simmer for maybe 5 minutes and it's gonna be, it's almost ready. Voila, here we go. Okay guys, so we just finished making the dal makhani and I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god, it's so good. It tastes exactly just what I envisioned it in a restaurant. And in the restaurant, this is what we used to make it at the Taj, at our restaurant there. Slow cook it for a long period of time. So it's not very creamy, it's nice and tasty. Like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and of course subscribe to our channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!